The secret of the rain of the Costa Rican tropical forest to relieve tinnitus. Did you know that the sound of rain can relieve tinnitus? Many people find comfort in the gentle tapping of the drops, which can reduce the perception of this annoying ringing. Tinnitus, also known as ringing in the ears, is a hearing condition characterized by the perception of sounds without an external source. It can manifest as constant ringing, whistling, or ringing in the ears. Focus your attention on the sound of the rain and unfocus your mind on tinnitus. Rain produces a variety of frequencies. This mix creates a complex and enveloping sound that is relaxing. A broadband sound encompasses a wide range of frequencies simultaneously. Rain is a natural example, as its multiple frequency components can help mask other noises such as tinnitus. Rain can mask tinnitus by covering the ringing with its uniform sound. This effect provides relief, allowing tinnitus sufferers to experience spaces of tranquility. Nature sounds, such as rain, are closely linked to mental well-being, helping to reduce stress and anxiety, which can help alleviate the perception of tinnitus. People who suffer from tinnitus have shared their testimonies about how the sound of rain has brought them relief, allowing them to sleep better and reduce their daily discomfort. White noise and the sound of rain have similarities, but rain offers a more natural and relaxing experience. Variability in your tones may be more effective for some people. We invite you to experience the sound of rain as a method to mitigate tinnitus. Share your experience and discover how this natural sound can benefit your well-being. At the Costa Rica Hearing Center, we are here to support you. If you suffer from tinnitus, contact us through our free WhatsApp support 506-8723-0197 or visit our website www.orbncr.com for more information. Remember, tinnitus can be treated, and your quality of life can improve. Leave your comment, like and subscribe to our channel for more updates that will help improve your hearing health. See you soon!